The T-Sizzle 82 video, Hardcore Laxers. We got my bro Grant with Major Flow using his Fiddlestick Evo, mini Evo, and he's just gonna tear up the goal. Okay, let's see it. Oh, nice rip. Little scoopage into the goal. Running out. Turn. Oh, far out rip. Oh, hit the bounce back. And he catches it and he shoots and scores. Check out the T-Sizzle videos. T-Sizzle 82 videos. Oh, fake swim move. Reps it to bounce back. The tree blocks it. He gets to catch up the bounce. He rips it bottom right corner. Okay, so about the T-Sizzle 82 videos. Check them out. We got 2 videos so far. This is going to be the 3rd. And check out the S-Neve, N-E-A-V 4. And their videos are like about more lax. And so check out the lax video disaster. And we'll be good. I'm not the kid that hit the dog, okay? So don't be thinking anything. So thanks for watching. Let's give a commercial that we do every time. Okay, let's hear it.
Wow. Reading rainbow, butterflies in the sky. Let's take a look. What's in a book? Reading rainbow. I can do anything.